What's going on? What's going on? Your boy Luvrik O'Shea here, music creator, educator, and entrepreneur, and we're back at you with another Motion 5 tutorial video. This is part 4 of the video series, how to create a music visualizer. And in this video, I'm simply going to show you how to replicate your line. Your lines are the foundation for what's going to be your actual frequency range for the sound waves. First step, I'm gonna come over here to my line. I'm gonna press the letter L. All right, so you can see that it creates a replicator. All right, I'm gonna double click on the name of the group and I'm gonna type in frequency analyzer. All right, now I'm actually move this above the background just so you can see it. All right, so there we go. So there's our frequency analyzer, our first batch. I'm gonna click on the actual replicator. All right, I'm gonna click on replicator over in my inspector pane, and I'm gonna change the shape from rectangle to line. Once I have that, I'm gonna change the amount of points. We can start with 10. You can always make it more or less. For origin, we're gonna do center. And then for the Y value, we're gonna start with 5. All right. And that is how you create your replicator.